How to hide friends list on Facebook. Hello my friend, I will show you a tutorial on how to hide friends list on Facebook. You can customize who can see your friend sections. Open your Facebook app on your mobile phone, then click your profile photo at the top right of Facebook. Scroll into the Settings and Privacy section and click Settings. Scroll into the Tools and Resource sections and click Privacy Checkup. Click Who can see what you share. Click Continue. Scroll into the bottom on the Friends and Following section. Choose Who can see your friends list on your profile, from friends to only me. See? Only you can see your friends list on your profile. Not your friend or your family. Only you. Okay? So that's the tutorial on how to hide friends list on Facebook. Hopefully it's easy to do, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next videos, and bye bye.